You know, sometimes joint pain is connected to back issues. Have you ever had a chiropractic adjustment?
What's that?
It's a procedure where a guy who couldn't get into medical school tries to rip your head off.
Does it work?
If you believe it works. It's kind of like the Polar Express.
Let's do it!
Okay, I'll give it a shot. But this type of thing is usually done in strip malls next to a Little Caesars.
Holy crap, what happened?
Well, I think we simply found your true height. Before years of poor posture and wear and tear crushed your spirit and your spine.
Wow!